welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today I have a haul for you. A couple life updates. We have a new member of our family. Her name is Peyton, and we are so happy, and she's everything we asked for. And we're also planning a big trip. So I figured that for the next couple of weeks, I would do a haul slash declutter with me of all of my things Disney. And today we are doing a haul of my Duffy and Friends merchandise. I am so fortunate to have been able to go to all of the parks around the world, so I was able to collect merch from all over the world. And so I figured let's do different categories where I show you all my bags, all my ears, all of my Duffy and Friends, all of my plushies, all of it. And that way we can save some money for that trip. And when I come out with that, it'll be great. And you'll see all of the normal content as usual. It's been a while since I do a haul, so I'm so excited and a little nervous, but let's hear all about it. So I put all of the Duffy and Friends merch in this bag. We got this bag from Hong Kong Disney. Oh, nope. Hold on. We got this bag from Hong Kong Disney, as you can tell from the bag. These straps on this bag are so cute. It's all of Duffy and Friends characters, and I don't know if I'll remember their names now because my memory is gone. You thought it was bad before. If you've been in my channel, you know my memory has never been great. I think it's worse. So we have Duffy, we have Shelly, LuLaRue, Cookie Ann, Shelly May, Stella Lou, just a turtle. It'll come to me. It'll come to me. Throughout the video, it'll come to me. Yell at me in the comments. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through here a couple of things since I'm doing different categories like ears or bags. Some of the stuff you might not see in this video that are Duffy and Friends. For example, I have some Duffy and Friends ears from Shanghai Disney and Tokyo Disney that you'll see in the ear video. And then I also have some decorations, as you can see, Shelly May right here. And she's just like a glass jar, and I have a brush of hers. So there's a couple of the merch that you won't see, or pins, right? But everything else I try to put as much in the category. So actually, let's start with the jacket first. So this is from Tokyo Disney. It's a Duffy, the Disney bear, and it has the cutest, hold on, it has the cutest little hood. Adorable. I almost never wear it. It is so hot here in Arizona. It is over 100, or I think it's right at 100 actually. But as you can tell, it has like a little bear paw on it. Adorable. And then the pocket, where's the pocket? The pocket is little Duffy. So adorable. Just sticking out. And that's pretty much it. I also have a Duffy ring. I don't know if you can see it from the glare, but there's little Duffy bear with a heart. I think I got this one at Shanghai Disney. And I am wearing Gelatoni earrings. He is my favorite of all of them. Gelatoni. And I was not able to meet Gelatoni, so I told my husband that we need to go around the world one more time so I can meet Gelatoni. So speaking of Gelatoni, the first thing I have is a Gelatoni backpack. It is fluffy. I can't remember. I want to say I got this one in Hong Kong Disney or Tokyo. I got this one in Tokyo Disney the first time we went to Tokyo. It has little Gelatoni, little paw of Gelatoni. So cute. It's a little fluffy. Nothing in the back. It's very like canvas material. Feels almost recycled. I don't know. Another one of those paws with a hidden Mickey, Gelatoni's little ears, and that's it for the front. Nothing really in the back. And then inside, there's a lot of stuff. Hold on. Because I don't know about you, but I'm running out of space. And that's the other part of these videos, is I wanted to clutter a little bit because our new member takes up a lot of space. As you know, babies take up a lot of space. So I'm trying to still keep my stuff as much as I can, but declutter and really think about what I want to keep. But the inside of this bag is just Gelatoni's little face all over and the little paws. And then it does have like an interior pocket, simple, very cute, very condensed, easy for travel. Love this little backpack. Inside of the little backpack, we have a little coin purse of Gelatoni. So cute. I have not worn this at all. I don't know when I will wear this. I don't think it's going to be something I get rid of. I think most of my Duffy and Friends merch I will not, just because it's so hard to find Duffy and Friends merchandise here. But yeah, I don't know. I think maybe my little one will wear it eventually. Here's another one. You can see, have not worn it. But I can tell you, I got it from Tokyo Disney, and I want to say I got them the first time we went to Tokyo Disney, because I went crazy during that trip, because I was like, I don't know when I'll be back. Little did I know I would be back within that same year. But here he is. It's just like a little, I guess, card holder, money holder, chapstick holder, hot sauce holder. Again, if you're new to my channel, I love Disneyland chimichangas, but only with the Victoria hot sauce. There's this little gelatoni, which I might keep out actually. This one would be really practical to use in the diaper bag. But it has a little tail, and there he is, and you can strap him onto anything, like your fanny pack, yourself, your ponytail, your whatever you want, you can attach them. And again, he was from Tokyo Disney. We have some heads, which are like, what? But it's the make your own headband from Hong Kong, and they had all of the Shelly and Friends, Lumel is the turtle, all of the Shelly and Friends heads. And now I want to go back and get the rest of the heads, because I only got my select few. So we have Shelly May, and we have Gelatoni, and that's it. I think these are the only 2 heads. That's a lie. I think I have Duffy Bear. But here they are. We have a shoulder buddy. We have a shoulder buddy of Gelatoni, and I wore this to the parks, and a lot of people were asking me where I got it. And I love wearing my merch to the parks, but I also feel really bad when I'm like, Tokyo Disney, because you can't find it, right? But I like wearing it. I don't know, it's conflicting. I feel conflicted about it. But yeah, it's just a little shoulder buddy. Again, this was from, this is from Hong Kong Disney, but I'm pretty sure they sold it in Shanghai Disney as well. But he's just a little shoulder buddy. I love Gelatoni. Okay. We have this that we looked for forever, and I could not find it, and I finally found it. And it is a Duffy and Bear bag. So a lot of people in the parks outside of the US wear them as bags like this on the parks, you know. I like a backpack. When I'm going to a theme park or Disney or whatever, I like a backpack. I carry a lot. I carry chargers, you know, the whole the whole shebang. So I like to wear it as a backpack. It did come with a strap. Let me see if it's inside. Hopefully it's inside. So it does come with a strap, so you could wear it, you know, like this, and that's how I wore it. I took it to Sweetheart Night. So you can wear it like this. Back then I could wear it as a backpack. I don't know if I can anymore, but I could have. And then the interior is very plain. It does have like a pocket, but it's not as cute of an interior as Gelatoni. But I love this. I was looking for this backpack for the longest time, or this purse, and I'm so excited to find it. Or bag, I guess bag. In the same lines, we have Gelatoni. I was so excited when I found this one, and I want to say this one was Hong Kong Disney as well. I keep getting surprised that so much came from Hong Kong. I will say that Hong Kong Disney was one of the most expensive parks. I felt like it had US prices, and some of the stuff was a little bit more than US prices. So compared to Shanghai Disney, which had really good prices, and Tokyo Disney, which has like amazing prices, Hong Kong Disney was very similar to our Disney. But it has, again, the same strap, similar pocket, similar style inside, and there was plenty of these. This was really hard to find. This I was able to find, and I believe I wore this one as a backpack as well. But yay, love those two. I don't think I'll ever get rid of them. We have Duffy Bear, which I kind of regret getting. I'm sorry, Duffy, cover your ears. I have too many plushies. You'll see in my video of plushies, I have way too many plushies. What am I gonna do with them? I don't know. If my little one doesn't like them, then I'm not gonna force her to keep them. But yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with plushies. What do you do with plushies? Just decoration? But then they collect dust. I don't know. So we have Duffy. He's super cute. He has a little feet. I want to say I got him the first time I went to Tokyo. Yeah, Tokyo Disney Sea. I was carrying him everywhere. I think I got influenced because at Tokyo Disney, everybody carries their like character, and they're decked out. Like if you are Duffy, you're Duffied out. If you are Shelly Maid, you're Shelly Maid out. So I wanted to carry my own Duffy, and there's picture opportunities, so you can put your little friend in there and go from that. So I think that's why I got him, but I didn't get him any outfits. He's really plush. I don't know. Really like him. I probably should have put him in the other video, but whatever. Okay, moving on. We have a lot of little things. So we have this plate. This is from Tokyo Disney Sea, and I got this. It came with a dessert when we were, and you can like get the plate or not get the plate. I wanted to get the plate. I don't know what to do with the plate. This is one of those things where like I want it in the moment, and then I come back and I'm like, if I put something on it, I won't be able to see it. I don't want to do the whole stand thing. I don't know, it's not my vibe. So what do you do with these? Do you put the little stand and you just decorate with it? Can I put it inside of a frame? What to do with it? I really like it. I just don't know what to do with it. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of the bag up here because we're getting into the smaller items. We have my favorite, well, I don't know about my favorite plush. Don't let my other plushes hear that, but my favorite plush is Gelatoni, and he's a little dusty because, again, what do I do with plushies? He is sleeping. That's why I like him so much. Look at the little eyes. You can't tell me he is not adorable. And then he has his little brush because he paints with his tail. If you didn't know that, he paints with his little tail. And he's just so cute. Look how sleepy. Adorable. Again, I have no clue what to do with it other than to put it on my shelf and let it collect dust, but he's too cute. Okay. Alright, and then I have these little plushies. These are huge in again, parks outside of the US where you just have these hanging on your backpack. Some people have like 50 of them. Some people, well, that's an exaggeration. They have a lot. Some people just have one. I really like the one, so I put one in like my fanny pack, or I put one in my purse, and it just like elevates it a little bit. So we have the original Duffy bear, and he is from Tokyo Disney Sea, and I really like that it says where it's from because I don't remember a lot of these. We have this one. This one's also from Tokyo Disney Sea. My husband picked this one out, and then he got home and he's like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. So he gave it to me. This one is from Alani. My friends Chris and Jocelyn brought it back. They went to Alani and they brought me her. Adorable. I kept the tag on this one because I haven't been to Alani, so to me I was like, ooh. Okay, we have Gelatoni Party. This is from Tokyo Disney Sea as well, but this was from the second time we went, and there is a hair on him. Sorry, buddy. But there he is. He is celebrating Mickey's birthday. We went around Mickey's birthday, so they were all celebrating Mickey, and that's why they were all dressed in Mickey attire. This is from Hong Kong Disney, and he is not like a, he's not supposed to be a bag charm. He is magnetic, so you can put him on whatever is magnetic. See? But I put this Tokyo Disney hat on him. Technically he looks like this, but I just thought the hat fit him so well, and I didn't know what to do with the hat. The hat was a keychain from Tokyo Disney, so I just put it together, and I feel like now Duffy from Hong Kong gets to go to Tokyo Disney. And there's also a hair on this one. Man, I apologize for that. I have a lot of hair, as you can tell, and I have a cat who has a lot of hair. We have two more of these purse buddies. We have Shelly Mae. She's also from Tokyo Disney. I went, like I said, the first time we went to Tokyo, I went a little crazy. And then we have Gelatoni, and I want to say this one is, yeah, from Tokyo Disney Sea. So I must have bought all three of them around the same time. They have so many. Shanghai had so many. The store had almost a wall full of them with different outfits, different get-ups. Insane. They're so popular. And then the last things in this bag is a sock that shouldn't be there, and the brush. So I actually did put the brush. You're like, what do you mean it's a brush? Ta-da! It is one of these brushes where you squish the face. You squish it, squish, Lena Bell, squish, and then it's a brush, and you can like brush your hair. We got this for free. I think it was one of those like spend X amount you get this for free kind of thing. So yeah, we got it for free. But yeah, those are the main things that I have that are Duffy and Friends merchandise from all over. It looks like mostly Tokyo Disney and Hong Kong Disney. Although I thought Shanghai had quite a bit of stuff. I must have not bought a lot of stuff. I did buy like this pullover from Shanghai. If I find a picture, I'll insert it. But that one is in the baby's room now. And like I said, there's other things that will be featured in other videos. So make sure to subscribe so you can see all of those hauls of all of my stuff. Pretty much come to my house and look at my stuff. And don't forget to like if you liked it. Comment below if there's any videos you want to see. I also want to do videos of tips for travel, tips for Disney, how to budget, how to travel and make sure you put a route and you maximize your time. Maybe some Tokyo Disney or Tokyo or just like, you know, different tips. So let me know if there's anything that you're like, I would like to know this. Let me know below. Always looking for inspiration. I hope you have a magical day, and until next time, adios.